In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your Notion side menu. If your Notion workspace feels cluttered, a few small tweaks to the side menu can make everything feel calmer and easier to navigate. We'll start by collapsing the sidebar to maximize your canvas, then bring it back when you need it, and finally pin your most important pages so they're always within reach. First, close the sidebar. Look to the left edge of your Notion window for the close sidebar icon, often a small arrow or collapse control at the top of the panel. Click it once and the entire sidebar tucks away, giving you a clean, distraction-free view of your current page. This is especially helpful when you're writing or designing and want every pixel of space. If your cursor isn't revealing the control right away, hover near the left edge and it should appear. The key idea here is to use the sidebar only when you're navigating, then hide it to stay focused on your work. When you're ready to browse again, reopen the sidebar using the three horizontal lines, the classic hamburger menu at the top left of the Notion window. One click brings the panel back into view so you can jump to another page. Think of this as a simple toggle: open to navigate, close to concentrate. If you're in a smaller window or a browser, the button might be slightly shifted, but it will still be in that top left area. With the sidebar open, choose a page you come back to often, maybe a dashboard, tasks, or notes. Hover over its name in the side menu and click the three dots that appear next to it. This opens the Page Options menu, which is where the real simplification happens. You're not changing the page content here, you're just adjusting how quickly you can reach it. From that menu, click Add to Favorites. Instantly, that page jumps to the Favorites section at the top of your side menu. Now it's pinned above the rest, so you don't have to scroll or search every time. Repeat this for a handful of high-impact pages, and you'll turn a long, busy panel into a short, curated list. You can drag favorites to reorder them, keeping your most used page at the top. And if a page stops being essential, open the same three-dot menu and remove it from favorites to keep things tidy. That's it. Collapse the sidebar for focus, open it when you need it, and favorite your key pages to streamline navigation. With these quick adjustments, your Notion side menu stays clean, purposeful, and ready to support your work.